What's up, you guys? Happy New Year. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I do for a workout for jump rope. I've really been lagging on my fitness, but you know, the holidays kind of made it hard. We're going to be doing 30 seconds jumping, 15 seconds rest, and we're going to do 3 basic jumps all the way through, so 3 30s, and we're going to do 3 rounds of that. So yeah, let's get started.
Go. 15 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Okay. Alright, so you see how I fucked up right there? That's fine. I did a little warm up, so I'm a bit tired. But 15 seconds break right now, and then we go back up for another 30. Do it. Alright, ready?
You got 5 seconds for your break.
Alright, tell me when, because I can't hear shit.
2. 10 seconds.
'You gotta say it, so I'm not looking at your ass.
Time.
Yes. Okay, guys, 15 seconds. Ooh, it's not as bad as you think. To the side and do that.
9 seconds.
Oh, shit.
Your break. 3.
You want me to do a trick for you? How many more seconds?
3.
Don't do tricks, guys. Focus. Woo. I'm tired. Alright, guys, you're gonna do that for 3 rounds. I'll be back once I'm done. Okay, guys, I'm gonna attempt to do a minute 30, do the whole 30, 30, 30 at one time. Get it? No breaks, no tricks. Go.
Gotta jump higher. Jump. Jump. Gotta explode off the ground. Great muscle. 58 seconds. 58 seconds. Let's go. 50. Jump.
How much? What time?
38. Jump. 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 Off the ground. Off the ground. 25. 20. Come on. 15.
I can't go.
Come on. Jump. 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 Jump off the ground. Create force. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Shit.
Gotta jump off the ground.
Oh, Jesus. Okay. Guys, don't do that. just do 30. The rest. That was hard. Alright guys, that's it for today. I know it was short, fast, but it's just a little, you know, cardio, if you need your cardio. But I'll catch you guys next time. If you like my content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out my music on all platforms. The links are going to be down below.